Hello friends, today I am bringing you the video as I always bring for home decor, and we always try to bring some beautiful furniture articles for you so you can choose for them if you like, and you can enjoy this informative and beautiful video. And this video contains a number of tufted chairs, and they are made with solid wood and tufted with the leather and velvet and microfiber, and they are high in quality, and their frames are just beautifully designed. Some are with high backs, and some are with low backs, and some are tufted with buttons, and some are tufted just with leather, and some of them are in carved wood and some are in plain wood, and they all have different colors like black, like gray, like blue, and golden, and but they do have some vibrant colors like sea green, like royal blue, and purple and red and maroon and pink. They are all in these colors, and they are just beautiful for making your living room a luxury place to sit in, and you can even choose them for making a part of your drawing room, or decorating a part of your living room, or decorating a part of your bedroom. Even one chair makes a complete look, give a complete to look to your corner of your home, wherever you place it. When you place it beside some planters, or some tables, or when you place it in study room, and some of the leather tufted or velvet tufted chairs are used with a dining table, and they too are just amazing and beautiful. They two are just amazing, and you can enjoy having them in your home. And some of the best artistic pieces are those which are made with uncarved wood, and they look just beautiful when they are carved with wood, and this definitely increases their price in quality, and they are high in quality, but they all differ in prices, and definitely the cost depends upon the type of wood, and the type of leather and fabric used in making of these chairs. And when they are made with pure leather, or with animal leather, they are high in quality, and their prices are definitely high. And when they are made with resin, or when they are made with velvet, or with microfibers, their quality is somewhat good, but their prices are reasonable. So high quality leather chairs are definitely high in prices, but they are worth it because you can use them for a longer time, and they last for some years. So you can buy them, and you can invest in them, and you can decorate your home according to them. And viewers, we tried to bring you a good variety, a very good variety of the tufted chairs, so you can choose from them. And we also brought some vibrant colors like blue, like pink, like red, like purple, and like cherry pink. They all are just beautiful colors, and you just have to choose from them if you like something from your home. And you can give our video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe our channel if you like it. And you can subscribe it if you want to see more articles of this type, and you want to be the first one to watch our videos in the future. And thank you for your subscription and for your liking, and please stay with us in future so we can bring more articles of this type for you in the future. Thank you.